Ithikoni ni thutha wa igoti inene kurugamia urutithia wira wa watho wa kunyabara nenda cia kiriu niguo wa cybercrime. Gikundi kia atongoria makanitha ni gitungiritie itua riri ria igoti ta gukorwo riukite kuhonokia Kenya kumana na watho uyu uria maugite ungiaga kumurikwo weru ngicungiriria kunyarirwo kwa mbeu njithi ingi aria maheanaga mawoni mao kuhitukira nenda cia kiriu.
The Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Amendment Act contains sections that are punitive and oppressive. We laud the High Court for issuing conservatory orders against the said law, and we hope that justice shall prevail.
Kuringana na ndumiriri yao iria thomirwo ni mwandiki munene wa kiama kiao Johnson Cheng, atungatiri aya maugite kuri na ugwati ungetheire atungatiri aria mahunjagia kuhitukira nenda cia kiriu na mativi-ini kuona nao mari ugwati-ini wa gwikora giterenge-ini kia watho uyu uria wendekithitie nginya kunyabara mathomo ma kidini maria maheanagwo kuhitukira nenda.
We have also noted with concern the issue on religious extremism in the bill, which in our view is open to abuse and will be used to persecute innocent clergy serving the people of God. The supposedly fight against religious extremism will crack down on online preaching, target Christian television content, hence intimidate the clergy from discharging their duties.
Riu atungatiri aya mathingatite mutongoria wa bururi kwendekithia kumurikwo weru kwa watho uyu niguo kuruta mweke kuri Akenya othe kuheana mawoni mao. Riu atungatiri aya mathingatite mutongoria wa bururi kwendekithia kumurikwo weru kwa watho uyu niguo kuruta mweke kuri Akenya othe kuheana mawoni mao mawigie makiri icunjĩ iria iheanite mendekithia ma kwagarara ihoto cia muingi ta kuruta mawoni mao na njira yothe hatari gutacukiria ikinya o riothe.
In a society where young people utilize electronic gadgets to agitate for better rights and earning a living through content, the parliamentarians were not mindful when passing this law. The concern of the church is that 27 is approaching, and having such laws in our country is not good for the political climate.
Iguru rio atungatiri aya ni morotete bunge ya bururi ta gukorwo igondereire hari wira wayo wa guthaitira muingi uria wa mathurire guku makimoria kurongoreria kuhitukia mawatho maria mari na uguni kuri muingi wa bururi.
We also urge Parliament, and this is very important to us, to focus on passing bills that are meaningful to Kenyans, such that will alleviate the suffering of Kenyans, like the cost of living.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Maura, Wagunya.